Today in the livestock complex, live cattle consolidated. There's better beef values, and that really lifted the futures somewhat. The expectation of increased domestic demand is helping to get the attention of some of the bargain hunters to come in and start to push this market higher. The market has been oversold since the drop over maybe 6 or 7 sessions ago. So we were wondering when the bottom was going to end. So we did consolidate a little bit, but it isn't really that big of a rebound. So we really need more follow-through buying or a better recovery that we know that the bottom is in, at least for now. Now, feeders were a little bit easier, so that's a little bit of an indication that maybe the bottom isn't over yet. There's larger supplies that may limit the upside, and that does have a lot of traders concerned. Plus, grain prices made a big jump up, and no doubt feed prices are going to be affected by that. And where is the grilling season? It really hasn't begun, and with more rainfall expected over the next couple of weeks, I think that it has slowed down some of that demand and makes it difficult for us to start to move some of these supplies, notwithstanding the fact that there is flooding and very difficult to fill these barges and get these things moved around. So a lot of fundamentals in the air we've got to watch closely, but for now the fall off has kind of slowed down, at least for the meantime. Hogs did firm up today. The strong demand and in fundamentals is really holding the market up, and it's keeping it from falling. Chinese importers are waiting, for a resolution before any of the shipment starts really flowing across the Pacific. That being said, we're just waiting, tick-tock, when is this actually going to happen? Of course, it may not even happen for a couple more weeks, and that's what we've been saying really for a year, a couple more weeks. But the size of the pork needs for China is truly enormous, and that's what's keeping the futures very, very buoyant at this point right now. That's why we're not going to see a big sell-off anytime soon. However, volatility is still in the air, and we're expecting big volatility for at least the next number of months.